warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Nurmasta Azmi, class PBI A6. Okay, here I will explain about the midterm exam question for the proposal and scientific writing. Okay, I will immediately explain about my term exam assessment entitled Improving English Listening Skills of Class 10 Students of SMA Negeri 1 Gebang by Asing Learning Video Media. Research focus. The main focus of this study is to improve the English listening skill of grade 10 students at SMA Negeri 1 Gebang through the use of interactive learning video media. These research areas from the issue of low students' achievement in English listening skill and seeks to offer an innovative solution using interactive audiovisual technology-based media. Comprehensive background of the study. Number 1. Problem context. English is a global language that plays an essential role in education, technology, and international communication. However, at SMA Negeri 1 Gebang, student English learning outcomes remain unsatisfactory, particularly in listening skill, where the average scores fall below the school's minimum completion criteria KKM of 75, ranging only from 65 to 70. This issue is compounded by several factors: A. Traditional and on-way teaching methods. B. Limited use of supporting media like video or digital tools. C. Lack of active listening and speaking practice. D. Minimal exposure to English content outside of schools. Number 2. Relevant theory. Several key theories underpin this research. A. Communicative language teaching (CLT) emphasizes authentic communication context in language learning. B. Crisis input hypothesis. Language acquisition develops through meaningful input the learners can understand. C. Cognitive load theory. Effective learning occurs when cognitive load is managed using supportive media such as interactive video. In language learning, listening is a fundamental receptive skill that supports speaking, reading, and writing. It demands concentration, vocabulary master, contextual understanding, and strategic comprehension. Number 3. Findings from previous research. Previous studies have demonstrated that A. Interactive video media significantly improve comprehension, motivation, and student achievement. Wahyuni 2021, Fitriani 2020. B. Visual elements like facial expressions, intonation, and gesture aid in grasping meaning more holistically. Lestari and Arifin 2022. D. Interactive features such as quiz, auto pause, and subtitle ensure activity learning and engagement. However, most of these studies were conducted in urban or technology-rich schools. This research aims to address the gap by focusing on a rural school with limited facility. Research gap. A. Different setting and population. prior studies were primarily conducted in urban areas. This study focused on SMA Negeri 1 Gebang, a school in a regional area. B. Curriculum aligned content. The video used in this study are tailored to grade X curriculum, unlike general video used in earlier research. D. Methodology. This study applies classroom action research (CAR), allowing real-time reflection and improvement in a classroom setting, unlike the experimental methods as in most various research. Rationale for the study. This study is necessary for several reasons. Number 1, low listening scores among students at SMA Negeri 1 Gebang below the KKM of 75. 2, limited use of interactive learning media despite basic technology being available at school. 3, alignment with 21 ST counter learning demands, which call for technology-based contextual and student-centered learning. 4, to provide a practical and applicable alternative technique strategy for English teachers to improve students' motivation and outcomes. 5, to contribute to the development of a digital media-based learning model that supports receptive language skills like listening. Summary of the research background. This study is based on the low English listening skill of grade X students at SMA Negeri 1 Gebang, as indicated by average scores falling below the minimum completion criteria KKM. The learning process remains teacher-centered and lacks the use of technology, which results in students becoming less engaged and passive, especially in listening activities. To address this issue, the research proposed the use of interactive learning video media, which combines audio, visual, and interactive elements such as quiz and simulation. This media is believed to enhance student focus, motivation, and comprehension of English material in a more contextual and engaging way. This study is also supported by previous research findings showing that interactive video can significantly improving listening skill and increasing students' active participation in the learning process.